guys, welcome. Today we have a guest. This guest is no stranger to us. It is none other than Rickysample. Ricky is going to show us a dance move, guys. So hurry up, grab your dancing shoes and let's get ready to move.
You know, it's Rickysample, and today I want to teach you guys one of my favorite dance moves. This one is called feeling, because you cannot do dancehall dancing if you don't have it. You can't do no dancing if you not have the feeling. So it's gonna go a little something like this. Feeling.
The sound consumes. Get the ill style in it. Don't bang. Do my rank slang when we come back. Every man.
Alright, so that's the feeling, and this is the breakdown of the feeling. First of all, you should know 99% of the dance move have a lot to do with your toes. That's where I get the ride from. You're gonna practice your toes, get the ride from your toes. Put your feet comfortable wide apart, go on the toes, bend your knee. 1, up, 2, down, 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, up, down, 1, 2, shoulder over. Right, then left. Repeat. 1, 1, 2, right, then left. You vice versa the left one. Up, 1, 2, left. You see that you catch the motion of the hand, over. So up, 1, 2, over and over. There you go, guys.
The sound consumes. Get the ill style in it. Don't